Hello, kids! Let's learn vegetable names with clear voice. Sweet potato.
This is sweet potato.
Sweet potato is sweet.
Sweet potato.
This is chili. Chili. Chili is spicy.
Chili.
This is onion. Onion.
Onion has layers.
Onion.
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 Onion. Onion.
This is capsicum.
Capsicum. Capsicum is green. Say it again. Capsicum. Say it again. Capsicum. Say it again. Capsicum.
Capsicum. Onion. Chili. Sweet potato. Good job, kids. Like and subscribe.